In this video, we are going to learn about the report customizations in QuickBooks, which is very effective because in QuickBooks, we have a lot of customizations. We have lots of filters and other techniques that you can apply to customize the report for you. We also have a special section where we can save that customized report. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Alright, now we are going to learn some of the report customizations in QuickBooks. We are going to use this particular option right here, which says customize report. It can be found in any report, but I have extracted profit and loss here. But if you check any particular report, let's say sales customer by summary. So in every report, you will find this tab. So how it can be used, let's see. Now, if we go to the create invoices and let's go back, I can see the sales representative mentioned here. Now guys, I'm using the sample rock castle construction company which QuickBooks offers by default, and I have entered the additional field in the headers of sales representative. Now if you don't know how to add this custom fields, you can check out my other video about it. So let's say I have entered the invoice with the sales representative, right? And I have a couple of invoices with the same sales representative. Now I want to extract the profit and loss account, but only related to this sales representative. How can I do that? I'll just go to the reports and let's say I want to extract profit and loss account. So company and financials and profit and loss standard. Now here, what I'll do is, let's say I want to extract it for all dates. So I'll set it to all dates and it is showing the complete profit and loss account, but I want to filter it for the particular sales representative or any of the custom fields that I created. So I'll go to the customized report and from the filters tab, I will write here sales representative, and here is my custom fields showing right here. And I want to extract it for Bob. Let's click OK. And you can see that sales is extracted for this particular sales representative only. Isn't that cool? And if you want to drill down further to see what the sales revenue includes, just double click here to see the details. And you will see all the details right here. If you check it by all, you can check out the details. Also, let's see that I have extracted a standard profit and loss account, but I want to make some changes here. I want to show it by all dates always. And I want to, let's say, increase the size of it, increase the size of the text. So what I'll do is I'll just go to customize report, go to the font and numbers and click on change font. Now you can change the writing style, the font style and the font size. So let's say I want to increase the font size only. So let's click OK and it will change it to all the related fields. Click OK. And let's make some further changes as well. Let's say I don't want to extract the time prepared and also the date prepared. I don't want to show it. And under the display tab, I don't want the totals only. I want the monthly profit and loss. And I want to show the percentage of income, and that's it. Let's click OK to see how it looks now. Now this is the month by month profit and loss account with the percentage of change. Let's say I made the couple of changes and I don't want to make these changes over and over again. So what I can do is I can memorize this, because otherwise if I close it, I won't be able to extract the same report the next time. I have to make the same changes every single time. So I'll go to memorize and right here, profit and loss customized. Now there are some groups here to keep the memorized reports. I'll click on save in memorized group. And let's say I want to save it in accountant group. You can also share this template with others so others can extract the same report as well. Let's click OK and let's close it. Now I'll click reports and now I'll not extract the profit and loss report, my customized report from here, because this is showing the standard ones. What I'll do is I'll go to the top area which says memorize reports. And here you can see and check the accountant group for your customized profit and loss right here. Let's click here and you can see the customized report. Now, every time you make some changes, what you can do is just, let's say I want to extract the cash report now. I can just memorize this and replace this with the earlier one. Now this will save the new copy. Let's extract again. I'll go to the memorized reports. In the accountant field, let's click on P&L customized. And now you can see that the report basis is set to cash. So guys, this is how you can make the awesome customizations in QuickBooks report. What I want you to do is just go to the customized report and explore all of these filters. So you can get the overall idea of how you can apply the filters. You can also filter it by amount, by aging, by days, by billing status, by customer type. You can filter it by all the types. Let's say I want to extract the profit and loss report only for the commercial type. Let's click OK. And you can see this is the different report than the earlier one. It's showing 8,000 as profit and loss. If we go to the customizations again, all the customizations are chosen here. So before it was 8,000, let's select for all customers type. And you can see now it's 11,300. So you can filter it by type as well. So I want you to explore all of these filters, these all options, so you can get the overall idea of what you can do in QuickBooks for the report customizations.